It is absolutely BS cold outside right now. This morning at 7 o'clock, it feels like minus 32 and it's getting colder tonight. Now, you could go out and spend a lot of money on a lot of very expensive jackets. Or you could buy this jacket. This jacket is an N3B, otherwise known as a snorkel jacket, made for the United States Air Force from the 50s for 50 years. This one was made in 96, actually. These are good to minus 60 Fahrenheit. 3/4 zip, storm flat. You got room for your pens in the pocket. Like, this is my winter photography jacket because the pockets are so big, I can put an M8 into it. I can actually get the SL2S into the pockets. They are actually just that big. The reason why it's called a snorkel jacket is because, and this is where I'm going to get stuck in a jacket, the hood comes up. And then, here we go, the zip goes all the way up. And I mean all the way up. So, yeah, if you want to look like some kind of weird Ewok, or if you've ever wondered what it's like to look out of your grandma's rusty bunghole, I suggest one of these jackets. Now, they are rated to minus 60 F, but that doesn't mean you don't have to layer actually underneath your jacket. You do. Layering is important, but you don't need to layer too much. A thin, long sleeve thermal and a t-shirt is generally what I wear when I go out wearing this jacket. If I'm wearing this jacket and you see me wearing this jacket, or I turn up to work in this jacket, you know it is cold outside. Two big, nice, warm hand pockets up here. You know, so you got your camera in one pocket, your supplies, Bitburger in this pocket. You can fit at least 3 500ml cans, just saying, in that side pocket. You're going to be toasty warm. The original jackets, the fur was wolf, coyote or beaver. The US changed to faux fur. The best thing about this is when you've got the zip up and you've got it here with just a wool cap on, you're fine. You do feel what I feel, a bit like I've got a halo when I'm wearing this jacket outside and I need a better, snugger fitting thing. But you ain't getting cold. You know, a little bit too windy, hop on. Just plop this down. Use the back hood thing here. We can actually adjust the hood, make it a little bit less so it's a thing, and you're going to be toasty. Now, the reason why I'm doing this rather poor video is this jacket is new, unissued stock. It's dead stock, essentially. Someone found a container, and when I ordered it, you know, it was like, hey, you know, old stuff could have some blemishes on it, could have some stains, could have some fading. Nah. No fading whatsoever, came in a bag, absolutely mint. So if you're going to buy one of these, try and get dead stock. There are people, mil-spec. I got this from America on a pipe dream, and by the time it turned up from the US to my door, with shipping and import taxes, it was $302.65, which is nothing when it comes to a jacket that's going to keep you this warm. You're going to spend more on a North Face jacket. You're going to spend way more on a Canada Goose jacket. When the weather drops below minus 20 and then the wind chill's hitting minus 30, this is the one jacket I pick up and I put on. Sure, getting in the car, I have to take it off because it's going to be too warm in the car and then put it back on. But, you know, it's a good jacket. Wool cuffs. Sleeves are nice and long. It's got basically a blanket lining in it, polyester and cotton. I'm going to tell you this, it is not a light jacket in any way, shape or form. It's one of the heaviest jackets I've ever owned. And I've got that big German jacket from like 1980, whatever it is, 89. Like, that's a heavy jacket and that's got a lining in it. This is heavier than that, but this keeps me warmer and I have to wear less layers when the weather is really, really bad outside. So when I'm rocking around, going to take pictures, I can just throw a camera in my pocket. Because the jacket isn't so long, the camera's not bouncing around too much, I just throw a camera in that pocket, water bottle in this pocket, and I'm good to go. N3B, extreme cold weather USAF Arctic Parka. If you can find one, buy one, because they are an absolute lifesaver when it's cold outside. And it's really cold outside. It is 5:30 in the evening. It's just dropped to -22. It's gonna get way colder tonight. It's gonna be closer to -40 with the wind chill. And I need to go and walk the dog. This is why I'm wearing this jacket. Because El Chichi needs to go for a pee, needs to go for a poo. And I don't want to freeze my nuts off doing it. Peace. Go buy one of these jackets. They're cheap, but they're really good. What's up, Davey?